Hey there. Dealing with frustrating errors on your favorite apps can be a headache, right? If you're having trouble with the infamous Cash App request failed issue, don't worry. In this guide, we're going to walk you through some practical steps on how to fix Cash App request failed, ensuring you can smoothly manage your transactions and payments without any hassle. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection could easily lead to a failed transaction. Check if you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and try toggling the connection off and back on. Restarting your router or switching to a different network could also help. If possible, perform a speed test to ensure you're receiving adequate bandwidth. Step 2. Update the Cash App. Outdated apps can sometimes cause issues due to compatibility. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there's an available update for Cash App. Updates often come with bug fixes and improvements that might resolve this problem automatically. By keeping the app up to date, you also enjoy the latest features and enhanced security measures. Step 3. Verify your account details. Next, let's verify your account details. It's important to ensure that your linked account information, such as your debit card and bank account details, are correct and up to date. Open Cash App and navigate to the Banking tab to review your details. If you spot any discrepancies, update them to match your bank record. Inaccurate information could obstruct the request from processing correct. Step 4. Check your Cash App balance. Ensure that your Cash App balance is sufficient to cover the amount you are trying to send or request. If there's not enough balance, the request will fail. Remember, the app also deducts a small service fee for each transaction. You may need to add funds to your Cash App account or choose a similar transaction amount to proceed. Step 5. Resolve security concern. Cash App has robust security features designed to protect users from fraud. If any suspicious activity is detected, it may automatically block certain transactions. Review recent activity on your account for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you believe your account might be compromised, change your password immediately and enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps resolve your issue, it may be time to contact Cash App support for further assistance. Open the app, go to the profile icon, scroll down to Cash Support, and report your problem. They can offer personalized assistance and guide you through the process to solve the Cash App request failed issue. Dealing with a failed Cash App request can indeed be frustrating, but by following these detailed steps, you're well on your way to resolving the issue. Remember to always keep your app updated, verify your account details, and ensure strong internet connectivity. Taking these precautions will help avoid future issues and allow you to manage your finances smoothly using Cash App. Happy transacting.